Hello all. Today I am going to say a very beautiful story about eggs, potatoes, coffee beans. You know, the life will give challenges for everyone. Tell me one individual name where life didn't give the challenges. It might be the Sachin Tendulkar, it might be the Virat Kohli, it might be any person. Everyone will face the challenges. Everyone will have their own problems. No one individual in the world is absent of challenges. How we are going to take our challenges are important. How we are going to take our life is important. Everyone will have the problem. Everyone will have the challenge. Everyone will face competition. And in this 21st century, the challenges are very common. Then how you are learning from the challenges, how you are learning from the problems. Mainly I want to dedicate this video to those aspirants who are feeling low because you didn't clear the prelims. This video is for you. You have to come back from the pain. You have to come back from the suffering. You are not a loser. It's an event which happened. You should be motivated. You are the winner. Next attempt, be very strong. Be committed. Next 7 months, you work very lot. You will clear your prelims examination. The failure is a part of the life. It is not the destination. You will reach if you are committed, if you are strong. On this context, I am going to say the story of eggs, potato and coffee beans. See, 3 stoves are there, firewood, beautiful stoves are there. So one daughter complained to her father that, "Father, life is lot of problems are there for me. What I have to do? Only I am facing problem. Everything is happening to me. Why is it happening to me?" So she was complaining about the life to her father. And her father asked her, "Okay, come tomorrow. We will have a solution for it." And what she did? He did 3 stoves, firewood stoves. And what he did, he took eggs, potatoes and coffee beans. And he placed this eggs, potatoes, coffee beans into this boiling water. It is already boiled, 20 minutes happened, it is boiling like anything. And he asked his daughter to put eggs into this boiling water, to put this potatoes into this boiling water, to put this coffee beans into this boiling water. Then after 20-25 minutes, the father told the daughter to put off this stove, and she removed the firewood. Then his father asked, "Tell me, what is the condition of egg? What is the condition of potato? What is the condition of coffee beans?" Then she understood eggs. She removed the shell and eggs became strong. And father asked her how it was before boiling. Inside the egg, the liquid was present, but now liquid became a hard material inside the shell. How the potato was earlier? Potato was hard, now it became soft. Coffee beans, how the coffee beans were been there? The coffee beans were been very much colored, attractive, but which is not edible, which we cannot consume. Then now how it is? It is very tasty, it's very aroma, it is rejuvenating me. So he told to his daughter, for everyone, the life will be the same. How we get out of it is important. You are getting out after boiling a wonderful coffee you are going to get. A potato you are going to get, which is doable, which is cookable, which you can make a curry out of it. And eggs, which is eatable, a boiled egg. So life will give everyone the pain. The life will give everyone the heat. What you are going to make from it is important. What you are going to make from it is important, my dear students. Everyone. It might be an aspirant who want to become a film star. It might be an aspirant who want to become a sports person. It might be an aspirant who want to crack the India's toughest examination, civil services. You have to go through the pain. You have to go through the pain. The egg went to the pain it got egg, which can be eatable. Potato went to the pan, it got soft potatoes. Coffee went to the pan, it became a beautiful aromatic coffee. So anything, if you want to have an achievement, if you want to perform well, if you want to survive well, if you want to get the success, if you want to get the ultimate success, the only thing is you have to burn. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Without burning like a sun, never you can shine like a sun. Everyone who want to excel, everyone who want to perform well, they will burn like anything. Everyone. No individual is born with a golden spoon. Yes, everyone should work hard. Everyone should work hard in one context or another context. Rahul Gandhi, everyone thinks that he has born with a golden spoon, but now he is struggling to become the Prime Minister of India. He's struggling a lot. More than the Narendra Modi. Yes. Why? Because he wants to become the Prime Minister, then he has to change his skills. Everyone. Life is not easy. But you can make the life easier. You can make life beautiful. For that, we have to burn. We have to work hard. We have to be consistent. We have to face the criticism. People will laugh at us. People will throw stones at us. Whether you will make a big palace out of it or whether you will run from it, it depends upon your attitude. So, pain is a common thing. Suffering is a common thing which everyone will face. Come out of the pain, come out of the failure, you can crack 2022 prelims examination. Again, the exam is on June 5th, just 7 months are away. Be strong, be brave. This Diwali from the crackers you have to learn. You have to shine like the crackers. For that, first you have to burn like the crackers. See, we can learn from crackers also. Crackers are shining in the sky. For shining and to entertain us, it is burning. So if you want to shine also, you have to burn like the crackers. Then you can shine. So my dear students who didn't clear prelims or any examination, don't be demotivated. Be strong, be brave, work hard, sit silently for some time. You yourself will get the answer. For any help, we are there ready to help you in any context, genuinely. So all the best. God bless you. Jai Hind.